Hello everyone. Hi, I'm Gonzalo from Applebay. Today I found something really interesting. A client just walked into the shop and asked me for a little bit of advice because his iMacs have a few dead pixels that I thought that's not right because the machine is only a few years old. Um, Maybe I think it was the 2017 model, so it shouldn't be like that pixel? No, no, that's not right. Okay, so he booked for a repair, and I found something much more interesting. Let me show you. We found something amazing inside, unbelievable. It's kind of like an alien. I'll show you. This is the offended iMac. We found an alien inside, not one, five of them. Can you see that little dot in the back there? Few others. They are some kind of insect. Somehow they crawl inside. Don't ask me how. They are very good, sealed, tight, and I have no idea how they get in. The iMac original came all sealed. I just took all the screws, I lifted up, open. They have five of them, sorry, and they were in between the LCD and the backlight. So when you switch on the machine, it looked like a 5 dead pixels, but when you move the mouse, you can see it go across, so the pixel it wouldn't show anything. These are the insects. I use a little sticker, the sticker we use for seal our stuff. This is the insect. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. There we go. That's really weird. There we go. Five of them. I have no idea where they came from, if they came from China, if they crawl in the customer house, or how they get in there. No idea. But it's not the first time I see this kind of stuff. I think this is like the 4th or 5th time I've seen this kind of behavior on this machine. Before I cleaned it, I didn't took much attention. I didn't actually catch them properly like I did today. But next time, if I see something like that, I will make a very good video, and I think it's going to be really fun to do this one, because how can an insect get in between the LCD and the backlight? Yes, I call you aliens. Aliens on my iMac. Very funny. Okay, catch you later next time. Bye.